Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Blogger, manage blogs with Google account step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type blogger.com and press enter. Wait for the Blogger homepage to load completely. Look for the sign in button and click or tap it. If you are asked to choose an account, select your Google account from the list. If you do not see your account, click use another account. Type your Google email address or phone number in the field. Click Next to continue to the password screen. Type your Google password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Click Next to sign in to your Google account. If two-step verification is enabled, complete the verification code or prompt. After signing in, you will be redirected to the Blogger dashboard automatically. On the dashboard, find the left sidebar menu for navigation. If you have multiple blogs, click the blog name at the top left area to open the blog list. Select the blog you want to manage by clicking its title. To create a new post, click Posts in the left menu. Click New Post, then enter a clear title and your content in the editor. Use the preview option to check how the post will look before publishing. Click Publish when you are ready to make the post live. To edit an existing post, go to Posts and click the post you want to update. Make your changes, then click Update to save them. To manage pages like About or Contact, click Pages in the left menu. Click New Page, add your content, and click Publish. To change the blog theme, click Theme and choose a theme or click Customize. To adjust layout and widgets, open Layout and use Add a Gadget where needed. To change settings like title, privacy, and permissions, click Settings and review each section. To manage comments, click Comments and moderate, delete, or mark items as spam. When you are finished, click your profile icon and choose Sign Out to log out safely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.